Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how you can set up MQTT broker in the Cogent Data Hub. Now in this video we will see how you can set up OPCDA client in the Cogent Data Hub to read the data from any OPCDA server. So if you are reading the data from any OPCDA server, then you can perform this operation, OPCDA to MQTT conversion in the Cogent Data Hub. Okay, so to perform this OPCDA to MQTT conversion in the Cogent Data Hub, you first have to use the Cogent Data Hub as a OPCDA client. So that thing we are going to cover in this video. So here is my Cogent Data Hub. I'm going to launch the Cogent Data Hub. Okay, now we want to use the Cogent Data Hub as a OPCDA client. So we will navigate to this OPCDA section. Here we will click on this add button. Okay. Now I'm going to connect my Cogent Data Hub with Metrican OPCDA simulation server. So I'm going to provide the name or connection name as a Metrican. Okay. And the computer name. So on what system you are going to find the OPCDA server. So I'm going to find the OPCDA server on my local system. So I have selected localhost. Now, once you click on this drop down arrow, it will find the available OPCDA server in your system. And here you can see the list of OPCDA server in my system. I'm going to select the Metrican OPC server for simulation and testing. Okay. And here we have to specify the maximum update rate. So we want to update our data at 10,000 millisecond, or we can say the 10 second. Okay. And we want to load all the item available in the Metrican OPCDA server. That's it. We can click OK, and then after we can also enable this Cogent Data Hub properties to act as a OPCDA client. Okay, and we can press OK button. So once you press OK button, the Cogent Data Hub will be closed. Okay, to affect those changes internally. Now you can again open the Cogent Data Hub from here. Okay, now you can go back to OPCDA and you can see everything is fine, and here you can check the status is running, the OPCDA server, the computer in which OPCDA server is running, and here is the connection name and refresh rate 10,000 millisecond. Okay, now if you want to see the data, okay, of Metrican OPCDA simulation server, so from where you can see the data that Cogent Data Hub is reading the data or not. So here you can see view data option. So you can click here, view data. Okay, and here you can see the default. You can expand it. Here you can see simulation items. So you can expand it, and here we have all the folders available inside the Metrican OPCDA simulation server. I can click on random, and here you can see every 10 seconds we will have an update. Okay, you can see we have update. If I want to change the update rate, then what I can do is I can close it. I can click here. I can click on edit. Instead of 10,000, I want to update at 2000 millisecond, or you can say 2 second. So I'm going to press OK. I'm going to press OK again. Okay, and we will again open the Cogent Data Hub. Now we will go to OPCDA. We will go to view data, and here again we will go to simulation items, and we will click on the random. You can see every 2 seconds our data will update. 48, 50, 52. Okay, so here you can see the timestamp. So this is how you can use the Cogent Data Hub to connect with any OPCDA server, and you can use this Cogent Data Hub as a OPCDA client. Now, if you want to perform this operation OPCDA to MQTT conversion in the Cogent Data Hub, then you can perform it. So that thing we are going to cover in the next video. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, that how you can use this Cogent Data Hub as a OPCDA client to connect with any OPCDA server. It can be in your local system, it can be in your network as well, but you can use Cogent Data Hub to connect with those OPCDA server. And after that, once you set up everything, okay, once your Cogent Data Hub is ready, you can click on view data, and you can view the data of that OPCDA server. Now we will convert this data to MQTT data. So basically for IoT or IIoT, we want to publish this OPCDA data to MQTT broker, and MQTT broker can be in our local area network, or it can be our cloud MQTT broker, anything. Okay, so that thing we are going to see in the next video. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye and thank you.